How to change your name in Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change our name in Facebook Lite. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to change your name in Facebook Lite, you need to open the Facebook Lite application onto your device. After that, you just need to simply log in into your account. After logging in into your account, you just need to head over to the menu bar at the top right. And when you head over to your profile, you'll be able to see settings and privacy when you scroll down a bit. So simply head over to the settings. After going to settings, you should be able to see account sender option on the very first. Click on personal details. After clicking on personal details, you should be able to see your profiles here. Simply tap on your profiles option, click on your Facebook account. After that, you should be able to find name and username. Since we're going to change our name, just tap on name. After that, you can change your first name, middle name and surname. You may just type in your name. After change your name, after that tap on review change, confirm it, enter your password for one last time for the verification process. After that, your name in your Facebook Lite should be changed. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to change your name in Facebook Lite very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.